How to add Discord link to YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Discord on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your username you see there on the bottom left of your screen and you will see the option for copy user ID. So, tap on the copy user ID option, and once your user ID has been copied, go ahead and open Notes on your device. Here, type in discord.com/users/ and then paste your copy ID that you just copied. So it should look something like this. Now go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for studio.youtube.com. Once you have opened your YouTube Studio, make sure that you are signed in, and now from the left side toolbar, scroll down and you will see the customization option. In the customization page, scroll down and you will see the Links tab. So go ahead and tap on the link title option you see there and enter the title. I will simply enter Discord. Now go to the URL tab and then paste the URL that you just copied from Notes and then tap on the add link button, and with this, the link will be added as you can see here. So this is how you can add Discord link to your YouTube channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.